All right, folks, I've been doing a little bit of research here. I don't know if some of you guys saw this the other day, but Chainlink actually dropped a blog. They introduced their rewards here. So, pretty much what's going to happen is they're partnering with these newer projects and they're pretty much airdropping their stakers coins. You saw it happen with that I'm sorry, it was SXT. That was a brand new project that they did, but they actually, if you guys scroll down in this blog, they actually dropped a photo here of all of the projects they're going to be working with here in the future. So I've been doing some research on all these projects. I mean, this is literally over here inside the Discord. So if you come over here to our crypto chat here, I pinned the message here up to the top. So all you got to do is come click on this little pin right here, and then you can open up the blog. And literally, what I do is I will just literally go and I will look up this like the coins. This is the one I want to be talking about. I have two I want to show you guys today that I thought were very, very interesting. The first one is going to be Rivalz. Now, I actually bought a position in this. So again, none of this is financial advice, guys. This is just how I go about researching these little known projects. I mean, this is literally like a $2 million market cap coin, so it's literally brand new. But what I'll do, right? If Chainlink is partnering with them, obviously that gives them a little bit of legitimacy, right? I mean, you guys saw what happened to that space and time project that they partnered with. After they partnered with it, that got released and it went to the moon. So there's a couple things that I do here when looking at these. And again, I've just been going one by one. Okay, and the first one that really caught my eye was this Rivalz. This is Rivalz again. Brand new project. This is not something you go all in on. This is something you could just throw a little bit at, and if it goes 100x, right? It's beautiful because crypto does 100x. So what I like to do is I like to do my research. So obviously I open up their website here and I check them out. Right, you can go through all their stuff over here, their ecosystem, their products, their Z node, their build. What really caught my eye was their staking platform. So I thought this was very cool. So after I bought the asset, you can see I bought about 4.6 million of these coins. And again, the ticker is just RIZ. It's actually on it's on YouTube here. I'm yeah, YouTube. Now, by the way, subscribe to the YouTube channel if you're not subscribed already. But it's on TradingView, so you could see it just came out in February. So it's literally brand new project, $2 million market cap. Okay, but what I thought was very cool, and the reason why I ended up going with this project was because they're paying 26.57% just to stake their coin on their website. So what I did was I bought the coin, right? I hooked up my Phantom wallet, and then I staked the coin into their project. And you can see it's locked for 10 days, so I can't take it out. But I've already earned, if you add up this and this, I've already earned around 10,000 of their coins just by having it sit here. So I'm just going to leave it in here as long as possible and continue to collect this 26.57% rate here. And again, I just found this on their website just by doing my own due diligence, right? You go to the Z rewards here, okay, and you can read up on the staking and what it is that they offer. So they're actually launching their own blockchain here. You can actually see their white paper here. Okay, if you go to the About Us, then you go to the Vision. Okay, you can read all about their white paper here and what they're doing. But they're literally going to launch their own blockchain. So I just really like how the website looks. I like how easy it is to navigate. And I just think it's a very, very interesting project. And again, it's only a $2 million market cap. So something like Bitcoin is not going to 100x. Okay, but something like a project like this with a $2 million market cap, all it has to do is go to a $200 million market cap, and that's 100x. Okay, so I thought this was very interesting. Again, I just found this on the build map that Chainlink provided here. Again, that's pinned over here in the comment section. You guys can go start researching these projects. I like to look at their website. I like to go through, see what they offer. And then, of course, I like to look at their Twitter account. You can see they have almost 400,000 followers over here. And you can see that they're very active on Twitter, right? They're very active on X. They just tweeted 4 hours ago. They tweeted yesterday. They tweeted 2 days ago. Like the projects that aren't tweeting, like if they don't have a tweet going out like every day, I'm not interested. But I just thought this was a very, very, very interesting project here. And I really like the fact that I can literally just stake my coins and earn 26% APY. They're actually paying 46 if you actually wrap it, but I don't wrap it because they have a 90-day cooldown. I don't ever like to lock up my coins for longer than 14 days because if this thing goes to the moon, I want to be able to get my money or get my coins out and sell them. But you can see I just locked this up about 4 days ago, and I've already earned around 10,000 of these coins. So I thought this was a very interesting project. This is Riz. Again, this is on my I have some really, really small market cap stuff. You guys, we bought base a couple of weeks ago, and this thing's just going bananas right now as well. This was that basis for everyone token. And then the last one I found on this was Chirp. Chirp was the other coin I found. Now this one's even smaller. It's kind of like Helium. They're a DPIN project, so you can see what they do just by looking at this document that Chainlink provided here. Rivalz was an AI project. This is a DPIN project, this Chirp coin. So I thought this was interesting because, again, I just go over here to coinmarketcap.com, go to Chirp, and you could see they're only $1 million market cap project. So for this thing to go 100x, all it has to do is go to $100 million. It only has to go to $100 million market cap, which is still very, very tiny. I mean, if this thing hit $1 billion market cap, if you invested $1,000 in it right here and it hit $1 billion market cap, which isn't that high in today's market, that you would turn 1,000 into $1 million. So these really small market cap coins, yes, they're very risky, but you don't have to risk a lot. Like if this project hits, if it actually turns out to be something, you don't have to risk $10,000 to make money. Like I said, if this goes from $1 million market cap to $1 billion market cap, okay, you turn $1,000 into $1 million. So you don't have to go crazy. So let's just look at, for example here, what $1 billion project is right now. So if you come all the way down here, so if it goes to $1 billion project, it would be worth as much as these coins right here. I don't even know these coins. WIF. If it catches WIF and market cap, $1,000 investment in Chirp would turn into $1 million. Okay, and that's just going based on the market cap. Okay, and again, you just want to research this. There, you can actually mine this stuff. They have a bunch of YouTube videos, tutorial videos on how to do all of it. I haven't got to really dive in a whole lot to it. I just really liked how it was laid out. I liked how they had a YouTube channel that literally walks you through everything. And I want to do some more research on this project. But again, a very, very small market cap. Chirp, if you guys want to dive into this project, check it out. I also found them on Twitter as well. It looks like they actually have a game. So this might be fun to check out, fun to play. And yeah, and they got social. I mean, their website's legit. They got a Discord, they got a YouTube, they got a Twitter, they got a Telegram. Okay, you can go to their Twitter account. And again, I just like to check and see. I'm going to go ahead and follow them here. I thought I was already following them, but you could see they're very active. They're very active on Twitter here. They're a brand new project. Okay, they're not a newer project. They just got released here in January, just like that Riz token. So two interesting projects I just wanted to share with you guys here. Again, this is not financial advice. I just found these by doing my own research. I've really been researching a lot of these projects here that Chainlink dropped for us. This is just on Chainlink's website here. And again, that is pinned there inside the Discord. So check those projects out. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys find anything else that's interesting, feel free to share it in the comment section inside of this document here, or share it in the Discord as always. Hopefully you guys got some value out of this. And if you guys got any questions or need anything, just holler.